you my room. But first, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Now, let's get started. The first thing you're gonna see when you enter my room is my shoe organizer. The first shelf has my sunglasses case, a mini diary that my friend gave me, and my favorite necklace, and also some fancy headbands. On the second shelf, I have my purses, this Hello Kitty one, that I also have the mirror that comes with a little comb. And I like this one because of the color and the big bow. And this is a wallet that my mom gave me. It's gold and cute. This one, my grandma gave it to me. It's so cute. On the third shelf, I have all my accessories, my smartwatch, all of my bracelets, and my fitness watch, and my necklaces. And this is my favorite picture from Disney on Ice. And up here I have some of my sunglasses and a cute hat. This is just a cute little box. And up there is the chandelier that my mom made. And this is my poodle that has cute little bows. And this beautiful pink Eiffel Tower. And the rest of my shelves have only shoes. Over here I have my holiday headbands. And up there I have my hair bows. And this is just for decoration, a mannequin with a cute outfit. And here is a butterfly backpack that I got from Justice. This is a Vanessa-sized mirror that my mom decorated for me with my favorite colors, black and pink, and with a cute little bow. Since my room doesn't have a closet, I have this white wardrobe. And up here is the Mexican piggy bank that my grandpa Rican gave me. Now let's go to my vanity. Oh, but first let me show you these beautiful curtains that my mom bought. I think they're from Target. This is my cute vanity that my parents got me for Christmas. This is an Eiffel Tower that my mom decorated with a cute pink hat. Here is my lotion and my cologne that I use after every bath. And here is my deodorant. And over here my mom put a cute box with flowers in it just for decoration. And this is my cute cosmetic organizer. We got it from Justice, but my mom painted it pink and put ring stones and put big lips. She put pearls and a sea star, some shells, and a big lipstick, and a pink bow to make it look cute. The reason my mom put these sea-related things is because my brushes are mermaids. I don't use these to put out real makeup, I just use these to play. These are my perfumes. This one is from Justice. And this little one, my aunt gave it to me when she came for vacations from LA. These are my lipsticks. And these are lip gloss. I like them because they all smell like chocolate. In the first drawer, I have my rings. In this one, I have my mirrors and my diary keys. In the third one, I have my hair accessories and my nail cutter. On the last one, I have my fake nails tattoos, and body stickers. In the vanity drawer, I have my diary, my hairbrush, my face cream, and my Q-tips. This is a flower lamp that we got from IKEA's. And up there is a frame. I love what it says. And over here, my mom put these cute eyelashes and lips. If you want to see how she made all these DIYs, check her channel out. The link will be down below. This is my comfortable bed with a beautiful headboard that we got from Amazon. On my mom's channel, you can find the link for this beautiful headboard. These are beautiful flower frames that my mom made. On this side, I have my lamp and my princess bedtime stories. These are YouTube and Instagram pillows. Here is where my mom sits down to read me my princess bedtime stories. And this is my desk where I do my homework. My mom just ordered my office chair. Over here I have my headphones, my phone, my selfie stick, and my tablet. Here are my school supplies, scissors, glue, notebook, crayon sharpener, stapler, crayons, pens, highlighters, and pencils. And this is my school calendar. And up here, I have the books I'm currently reading. Dork Diaries, The One and Only Ivan, Out of My Mind, and It Is Well, Daily Stories. These are the macaroons we used for my little brother's birthday decoration. And this is just a storage box. And over here, I have all my hats. Well, everybody, this is my room. Hope you like it. Don't forget to thumbs up if you do. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!